Hey guys, it's your girl, Pardon My Beauty, and I'm back with another video. Basically, guys, I'm bored in the house, and I'm in the house bored. I'm really ready to go back outside, but you see the skin though. This is currently cute. I was outside grilling, getting some food made. And ow, hair luscious. I don't have that color hair anymore. Yeah, I really miss outside. This was my 26th birthday. Hookah mommy. Yeah, I'm really ready to go back outside. This was me in school. I really miss school. I should have been showing you guys more content of me in school while it lasted and my online learning, but yeah. Hey, I'm cute. Period. This is me and my cousin's job. More hookah. Ooh, beat. I was beat, and I did that by myself. Feel me? Yeah, barbecue fit. Hey, so basically, me. Hey, mama told me not to sell work 17. But hey, more hookah. Yeah, basically, like I said, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored at this time. But you know, we're going quarantine and we gotta stay in and keep healthy and safe. I hope y'all wearing your mask and your gloves, honestly. So yeah, hey, Kaya was it? And you get a 10 out of 10. Hey, I really be having a good time when I'm outside. Yeah, I be with my cousin and my friends. I really miss everybody. Um, yeah, I see that good skin. Feel me? Even with the filter, yeah, I know the skin is good. Feel me? I did my own braids, but they a little rough. I really miss my friends, but guys, you know we gotta stay safe, stay in the house. Hey, can I get that friend? Can I get that? Hey. Yeah, but once again, thank you for watching my video. This is Part of My Beauty. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and view this. Okay, guys, being that we got cut off, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Stay home, and make sure you stay safe and COVID-free.